2 hours ago, I just got off a plane after spending 2 weeks there, studying the very thing that my dissertation is on, El Nino. Currently, scientists are forecasting the strongest El Nino on record for this winter, and they're calling it a monster event. The last strong event we had was in 1997-98, and during this time, Florida had deadly tornadoes, California had torrential rainfall causing damaging mudslides. Even Georgia had higher than normal amount of rainfall. So most likely this winter, this rain might continue. But other places in the world, millions went hungry because of crop failure caused by droughts. See, El Nino, it's a coupled ocean atmosphere climate phenomenon that originates in the tropical Pacific. Normally we have trade winds that blow along the equator from the east to the west, and it piles up all this warm water in the western Pacific. But when El Nino happens, every 2 to 7 years, those trade winds shut off, allowing that warm water to flow back towards the east, warming up the central and eastern tropical Pacific. And it's that change from cold to warm ocean temperatures that excites the atmosphere, causing these changes in the global weather patterns through what we call atmospheric teleconnections. And the stronger the El Nino event, the stronger the teleconnection, thus the more severe the weather patterns. And we have had 3 monster-like El Nino events in the last 33 years, coinciding with a rise in global average temperatures. So my dissertation seeks to answer if the recent monster El Nino events are a result of a warming climate or if it's just natural climate variability. However, we've only been observing the climate in the tropical Pacific for the last 50 years. And this is too short to statistically say if El Nino events are getting stronger. So to answer this question, I look at the rock record, and more specifically, the chemistry from corals. So when a coral grows, the chemistry in its skeleton reflects the ocean temperature at that time, just like a thermometer. And by measuring the chemistry in ancient corals, I have been able to construct a several thousand-year-long record of ocean temperatures from this region in the tropical Pacific. And my results show that the recent El Nino events are stronger than almost any other time in the past. And in fact, when we run our best climate models forced with human-induced carbon dioxide, we find that monster El Nino events double from 1 in every 30 years to 1 in every 15 years, which my results confirm. So now as a community, we need to better prepare ourselves for the climatic consequences that these more frequent extreme El Nino events will bring. Thank you.